Oh yeah. The scoltiness.
You lead out and I'll follow you and shout at your directions.
Oh yeah, let's go then.
The problem with Scolty is its proximity to Banchory. All the 16-year-olds came and built a ridiculous number of trails. Hard to navigate, that's why.
I think there's, I remember, I don't know what it is, but there's one of the trails I used to always go straight on where you need to go left.
You need to go, there's so many trails that come up.
I'll slow down if I...
I'll just shout at you. Right, there.
That's...
I fell off there on camera with the deviant time.
Right.
Right.
Woo! Whoa, that's doable. Left? Yeah. Okay. Oh wow. Oh, wait for... Oh, that was... I guess that was the old trail. Is it that way? Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of damage being done.
Go.
Oh, sweet. What do you think you're going to hit your cranks? Right. Is it right? Yeah.
Oh man. You got shoved into that.
I did. Did
Munro. I missed the first bit. I went to the right.
Oh, fuck it. Just go.
I was like, oh no! It's on top of the rock, so we're going this way, Daniel.
That way.
Yeah.
Oh.
He stopped, I was like, go!
Go!
But he's gone around to the right, so he'll keep going. And then he turns into the slab. I was like, oh. I'm aiming straight for you.
It looks more interesting. Did you do the slab as well?
Yeah, I did both.
The funny thing, I wasn't even clipped in.
Well, you know, did it Remy Italia style.
I thought you were right there, and I'm like, fuck it, let's go.
This is where it gets just brilliantly sculpted.
Right, check.
It gets rootier as you go down. There's a couple of different lines you can go. And honestly, I've ridden this 15 times now since it's been cut, and I still sometimes choose the wrong side of the tree, which takes me the wrong side of the slam off. Alternative actual trails, there's a few alternative lines, but essentially we'll see you at the bottom.
Yeah, yeah.
That makes sense.
Let's go.
But
Oh. Ah, this is the best. This is the best, man. Ew. Oh. Yes! That is so good. That's so good. Wow.
that's my day.
Wow, wow, wow. Oh, backhand was going wild there. Yes, man. Awesome! That is the best!
Oh my god. Yes.
That is so good! Just every section was like, oh shit, oh shit.
I love it. I've got the left hand line right that took us through that tree. That rock side that takes you right to the tree.
I hit the bars, just touched the bars.
Just had to let go like that.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Wow! It's gonna be wet! Oh! Oh yes! Oh! What happened there? I think I need to really swap this clip ends. Nice line all in. Oh my god! I shot myself. I went into the right a little bit because I was seeing that rock so shiny, it just threw me off.
Yeah, follow me on this one.
think this one is not too bad. All right.
Hi, right here.
Oh, sweet. That was so good. That was really good. Oh. Woo. That was amazing. I love this place, man. I so love this place. Yes,
So
oh,
good,
yeah.
isn't it?
That's so
So good.
You're finding flow in there.
Last
It's just
summer.
so amazing.
Yeah. Last summer, this was bone dry and is marked as closed on trail forks.
Oh, is it?
So I had it to myself.
I remember riding that in the summer with you and Mike and just being like,
Fast as anything.
oh,
Yeah. Aye, because you
The
could.
new cut bit. So if you remember, it went down there and you went into Squamish
Yeah.
BC and there was that lovely chute.
yeah.
There's a wooden structure in the chute.
Yeah, I love that.
So this replaces that.
All right.
That was wild. Oh man. Some dodgy lines. Oh, I'm not the only one. Woo! I love this place, man. I love it, I love it.
Yeah, all the way through to Corona time.
Going to open, all normal?
Yeah, pretty
I
sure
mean,
it
to
is.
the river? We stop at the river or?
Oh, yeah.
Cause yeah.
That's nothing.
It's good fun.
Away. Do you want to go, Donald, or I go? I think.
I don't mind.
Uh,
Come on.
I just go. Oh. It's been a while. Oh, what's that?
Oh,
Ah! Oh shit!
Alright, yeah.
Look at that! Wow!
how many people must have gone?
Everybody comes down here.
I thought it was like, nah, surely.
I thought it was a new trail.
This takes you straight into Corona.
Straight in, you can do that and then you go along like 50 metres and you clear.
Should we try that way?
Yeah.
Go this way. Left.
Yeah.
Try left. Sorry, Daniel. Go left. I just haven't been riding left. I've always been going down there.
Surely
Right.
you're not sending down there like 10 metres.
Alright, back up! There's a shitloads of trees down there. Okay, now we go round. Yeah.
And then right.
Ah.
Look at that.
That's proper wreck.
Yeah, that is better than the right hand side.
I mean, woo! Still as good as ever. Yes. Still has it.
Still has a day.
Still has it. That was a big casing back there. Ka-tung.
Hard to get at quite enough speed, isn't it? And the big double.
Oh, they got yeah. No, front wheel, isn't it?